Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make UGC ads with Higgsfield AI. First, open your Google Chrome and search for Higgsfield AI so you can access the official platform safely. Now, click on its official link to open the website, where you can explore different AI tools for video creation. Here, you will also find examples of UGC style ads, templates, and features that help you understand how your final video look. Once the website opens, you will be taken to the dashboard. Here, look for the video creation tool or ad generation section, which is specifically designed for creating short-form content like UGC ads. This is where your project will begin. Next, choose the UGC ad format if available, or start a new project and select a short video format suitable for platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Short. This ensures your video matches the correct size and style for social media. Then upload your product images, short clips, or brand assets. Make sure visuals are high quality, properly framed, and clearly show your product so the AI can generate better results. Some tools may also provide stock assets. You can use it if you don't have your own content. Now, enter your script or prompt describing the ad. Include details like product benefits, key features, target audience, and tones such as casual, storytelling, review style, or testimonial. You can even write it like a real user experience, so the AI creates a more natural and engaging ad. After that, customize the video settings such as duration, resolution, aspect ratio, and style. You can also enable captions, subtitles, or voiceovers if available, which helps improve engagement and makes your ad easier to understand without sound. Next, click on Generate or Create Video and wait while the AI processes everything. During this step, the system combines your visual, script, and settings to create UGC-style ad that looks like it was made by an actual customer. This may take a few minutes depending on the complexity. Once the video is ready, preview it carefully to check timing, visuals, and overall flow. If needed, you can edit the script, swap visuals, and generate the video to improve the final output and make it more engaging. Then, download the video in your preferred quality or use the share option to publish it directly on your social media platforms. Make sure to choose the best resolution for better performance and clarity. Finally, to unlock full features, remove watermarks, or export videos in higher quality, you will need to select a plan, enter your payment method, and complete all the required details to activate your subscription and continue creating UGC ads without any limitations. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.